Welcome to the video tutorial section for eHRAF World Cultures. In this video, you will learn how to filter and navigate your search results, as well as how to select a sample for cross-cultural research. To learn how to conduct a search, take a look at the video tutorials on basic search and advanced search. After conducting a search, you will see your search results organized by world region by default. There are two other views available using the View As button, including a list view, showing paragraph snippets in a stack sorted by relevance, and a card view showing paragraph snippets sorted by relevance but divided into rows. If you don't wish to sort these results by relevance, you can instead sort by title, author, or region using the Sort By button. After clicking a paragraph of interest, you will see the subject categories that paragraph discusses labeled on the right. You may easily generate a citation for the document using the Cite button below it. When viewing a paragraph in isolation, it is not always clear what the author is saying. To better understand the ethnographer's meaning, you may click the Full Context button to see the paragraphs immediately preceding the paragraph you selected. After clicking the Full Context button, you will also see a link to a document's publication information on the right-hand side, allowing you to see eHRAF's abstract, as well as the document's author, title, publisher, and so on. After conducting your search, you will find an expandable menu for filtering your search results by subsistence type, region, publication date, document type, and so on. For instance, if desired, I could easily restrict my search results to pastoralist societies alone. The document-level samples and culture-level samples tabs are particularly important for research purposes because the collection of cultures included in eHRAF, though helpful for understanding diversity across human cultures, is not considered a representative sample for hypothesis testing. For scientific research, we recommend one of the two primary samples available in eHRAF, the Probability Sample Files, or PSF, and the Standard Cross-Cultural Sample, or SCCS. The creators of these samples divided the world into designated culture areas, 60 areas in the Probability Sample Files and nearly 200 areas in the Standard Cross-Cultural Sample, and selected one society from each region. You may restrict your search to cultures included in one of these samples using the Culture Level Samples tab. To supplement these samples, a researcher may also consider the Simple Random Sample, or SRS, a smaller collection of truly random societies, without stratification by region. Finally, eHRAF also includes a subset of cultures included in the Ethnographic Atlas, or EA, a near-comprehensive sample of over 1,200 societies. Though we will be adding more societies from the Ethnographic Atlas over time, eHRAF currently includes only a portion of these 1,200 societies. For more information about sampling, take a look at the Sampling in eHRAF section on the eHRAF Help page. For the societies included in the Standard Cross-Cultural Sample and the Ethnographic Atlas, some variables have already been pre-coded by other researchers. Although eHRAF does not contain any of these pre-coded variables, you may find some using the dplace database at dplace.org. Using the Document Level Samples tab, you may further restrict your search results to those documents referring to the same time and the same place as those originally coded in the Standard Cross-Cultural Sample and the Ethnographic Atlas. Keep in mind that if a document fully matches the time and place focus, it is coded as entire. If only a portion of that document matches the time and place focus, it is coded as partial. Documents labeled as cautionary include those in which the sample creator claimed a time and place match which could not be independently verified by eHRAF analysts. That concludes the eHRAF World Cultures Search Results tutorial. For more information, visit our website at ehraf.yale.edu or begin searching at ehrafworldcultures.yale.edu.